Salut YouTube, Ready or Not, épisode 2, toujours en mode commandant. Allez, c'est parti. La dernière fois, on avait fait la première mission, tout s'était très bien passé. Cette fois-ci, on va avoir une autre mission qui s'appelle 23 MO par seconde. Vous allez voir de quoi ça parle. Je ne vous spoil pas les missions, parce qu'elles sont vraiment à découvrir sur le moment. Tout ce que je peux vous dire, c'est une histoire de swatting. Ça- c'est- À une époque, il y a eu une vague de swatting aux États-Unis et en France, hein, d'ailleurs. Il y a des grands streamers qui se sont fait swatter. Ben là, ça parle de ça. Et vous allez voir que il n'y a pas qu'une histoire de swatting dans dans l'affaire. Je voulais boire mon café, mais il est un peu trop chaud. On va attendre. Ouais, on va prendre la mission. Michael Williams a tué sa mère et pris son jeune frère en otage. Le LSPD a été chargé d'intervenir. Faites vite. Propriété Son Uriel. On va lire le briefing, comme toujours. J'ai toujours la même équipe que la dernière fois, ils n'ont pas débloqué les traits, hein. La dernière fois, ce que je vous avais pas dit, c'est que oui, ils ont des traits, mais il faut les débloquer. Il y a toujours le petit cadenas, hein. Que ça soit pour eux, c'est pareil, hein. Voilà. Allez, on commence le briefing.
All right, everyone, need your attention. Operators just received a 911 call from an individual within an apartment complex in St. Uriel this morning, detailing a brewing hostage situation. It seems that Michael Williams has barricaded himself in his apartment along with his brother DeMarcus. He also shot and killed his mother, Cassandra Williams. The call was brief, but gave us information regarding his potential mental state.
Has anyone tried to regain contact with Michael?
The call bounced when attempted, and calls from negotiators outside have fallen on deaf ears. It sounds like Michael may be firing a weapon inside his room, and we've received multiple reports of gunfire from other individuals within the complex. The building has a single entry through the main atrium. There's also a second entry point through a fire escape nearby, which should allow quick access to the other levels without exposure to your teams within the atrium. The watch commander is on scene and has patrol holding perimeter positions. Thames is staging at the command post. Currently, they're awaiting our arrival to make entry, as the situation has been deemed dangerous, given no communication can be established.
Do we know of any other threats within this space?
Michael's apartment is number 14, and so far we've managed to confirm that rooms 16, 11, and 12 are all currently inhabited but closed off. Those residents have either been evacuated or are sheltering in place. However, we were unable to make contact with apartments 13 and 15, both of which are under the ownership of Michael Williams at this time. It is unknown if he is still barricaded with his family in 14 or has moved into one of the other rooms to ambush. We are not aware of any other threats. It seems to just be one guy. All right, let's roll.
Ok, donc objectif, ramener l'ordre, sauver tous les civils, arrêter Michael. C'est toujours à peu près les mêmes objectifs, hein. Ok, les civils, sa mère, son frère, mais il y a d'autres habitants dans l'immeuble. Et les médias, miniature Milquitos, vignette représentant Michael Williams. Donc il ressemble à ça. Facture à payer. Une facture impayée d'un montant très élevé qui pourrait expliquer les agissements de Michael. Et ça, c'est son appel d'urgence.
911, what is your emergency?
My name is Michael Williams. I'm currently in apartment 14 in the San Uriel condominiums with my piece of shit brother. I'm calling you because I've killed my mother. I'm going to kill my brother. And then I'm going to kill myself. So don't come in.
Okay, sir, stay with me. I would like to...
Don't tell me what to do!
All right, everyone, need your attention.
Ok.
Operators just received a 911.
Allez, on va s'équiper en conséquence. L'armement. l'armement? Je sais pas, on va juste personnaliser par contre. On va juste se personnaliser un peu. Ouais. Parfait. Équipement. On va mettre le... juste leur mettre le pistolet miroir. Et soi-même, c'est bon, on y va. Hein. Ah putain, par contre... Ouais, c'est ça la dernière fois que j'avais pas mis. Kevlar. Kevlar. C'est mieux le Kevlar, c'est beaucoup plus léger. Hein. C'est uniquement pour ça que... Ah, bravo. Bravo, il a pas le... Voilà. Allez, c'est parti. Quel bordel. Oh, on peut... Attendez, on va faire un truc sympa aussi hein, au niveau de la personnalisation. Au niveau de la personnalisation... Non, non, c'est bon. Allez, on est parti. Propriété Cendriel, suspect barricadé. Si la mission, je mets pas trop de temps à la faire, on enchaîne sur une deuxième. Hein. La première vidéo était un peu longue parce qu'il fallait que je vous présente un peu tout, quoi. Là, maintenant c'est bon, j'ai plus besoin de vous présenter différentes choses. Ah mais merde, il y en a un qui a gardé le gilet tactique noir. Oh, c'est pas grave.
Talk to entry team. Entry team. There may be one or multiple active shooters on site. Move quickly and clear the area.
On you.
Alors comme vous avez lu dans le briefing, on va passer par là. on va rentrer par la première porte. Ok.
Cover this area.
Roger that.
Unlocked.
Get down now!
On me.
I want get down on the ground! Hands up! Drop to your knees! I got
Going into cuff.
Come out with your hands up!
Don't look at me. You start.
Do not move.
One in custody.
Entry team.
Talk.
This is
Secure
Tom.
custody.
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Evidence secure.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Talk.
Entry team to talk.
Talk to
Bagging
entry
it
team.
up.
Copy, entry team notifying trailers.
C'est une ferme de crypto-monnaie. On est tombé sur une ferme de crypto-monnaie.
I ain't do nothing. I was just out here getting gas.
Tais-toi. Je te crois pas.
Police, get down on the ground! Drop the weapon now!
I'll zip it up. Turn around slowly.
Evidence, good to go.
Lead to talk. One in custody.
Talk to element. Roger, trailers inbound.
Lead to talk. Suspect is down and in need of medical security.
This is talk.
Done.
Copy. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Et c'est fait.
Move in. Clear the room.
Position.
Reaching! Out the way, sir.
Opening on the right.
Fall in.
Nothing. I'm with you. Nothing.
Turn around. Don't get up.
On appréhende un suspect,
Element to talk.
sûrement
Civilian,
civil.
ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
Allez, on continue.
Hey, let me go, alright? I can't go back to the bin.
Tu vas y aller, oui.
Blue team. Provide cover.
Heading out now.
Ça, c'est pour éviter qu'on m'attaque dans le dos. Hein. C'est pour ça que je
On me. Move.
ferme les portes. Hein. J'entends des voix à l'étage du dessus. Ok.
Hands up! Do it now! Police, get down! I'll bag it.
Blue.
Need you to move.
Dynamic movement. Flash and clear. Stay where you are.
Let me go! Get down! To go.
Talk to element. Copy. Move on.
Opening on the right.
Element to talk.
Oh non!
Down. Requires immediate attend.
Talk reporting. Copy. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Vous avez pas tué un civil? Ah, ça va, elle est juste inconsciente, elle est juste blessée, ça va.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
Move, move, move! I got an opening up ahead.
Nothing.
Dropping the light.
I'll get it.
Need you to slide over.
I got nothing here.
C'est bon.
I got nothing.
Ah bah, mais...
Cover the area.
Got it.
Ok.
Locked. How do you want to do it?
C2 flashing clear.
Affirmative. Boom, baby, we're good. Deploying explosive. Open it, no lines.
Opening on the left.
Turn around slowly.
Light stick out.
to go.
Lead to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Evidence secured.
Talk to entry team.
All finished?
Entry team.
Suspect ready to go.
Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Opening on the right.
Ok, on a eu tout le monde.
Come on. No comment.
Maintenant, il reste...
Here, boss.
Maintenant, il reste... les... Il y a des objectifs secrets. Je vais vous montrer. Ah, c'est une ferme de crypto-monnaie. Hein. Ouais, mais je vois que tu es un vrai gangsta, me noter. Allez, c'est parti. On va tout arrêter, on risque plus rien. On va couper la radio. Ah bah il était en plein live. Yo tout le monde, c'est le SWAT. C'est quelque chose de pervert. OMG, it's real. Oh.
Element to talk. Collecting evidence.
Ok. Elle est sympa la chambre par contre. Ah ah. C'est oh 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 oh.
Ready when you are, sir.
Talk.
This
Bagging.
is talk. Copy that. Put him on safe and let him hang. Great job.
Ah ouais, putain, on est tombé sur un réseau pédophile. Ok. Ah, à plus. On va en faire une autre de mission 1. Ah, il y a un truc aussi que je vous ai pas montré, c'est les zones de pièces à conviction. Je vais vous les montrer. À chaque fin de mission, en fait, on a des pièces à conviction. Alors, je sais pas si je me suis jamais rendu trop bien compte si vraiment ce qu'on récupère pendant la mission est dans la pièce à conviction. Bah, on va voir. Hein. Là, j'ai récupéré des images pornographiques, j'ai récupéré le disque dur. On va changer l'armement, par contre, pour la prochaine mission. On va s'équiper en gaz. Alors, c'est où déjà? Training Facility, no, c'est pas là. Ah, Evidence Locker, voilà, c'est par là. Interview room. Je crois que ça c'est des trucs qui vont servir plus tard. Mais on peut pas y aller pour l'instant. Police record. Ça c'est le truc des détectives. La pièce des détectives. Ça bosse dur hein. Interview room. On va aller à Evidence Locker, comme ça je vous montre un peu. Vous allez voir, c'est sympa. Bonjour. Une statue, son importance reste à déterminer. La Santa Muerta. J'adore cette statue. Alors. Ah, l'ours de cristal Layton récupéré en tant que preuve par le LAPD est déchiré sur un côté, ce qui indique probablement que l'enfant était stressé lors de l'incident. Ça c'est la carte le badge du magasin For You. Le premier, la première mission qu'on a faite. Et il y en a d'autres. Hein. Ah bah voilà. Pikumiku-chan. Une figurine rare de Pikumiku, un personnage animé rendu célèbre par la série Shinigami. Ah, c'est un truc de collection, hein. Petite statuette de collection. Et d'un des projets secondaires les moins connus de Minjot, le mineur de Bitcoin HRX, capable de générer des bénéfices de près de 800 $ par jour. Vous imaginez? Ça, c'est ce qu'on a collecté sur place. Il n'y a pas d'autres... On a fait le tour, je pense. Il n'y a pas les trucs d'images à caractère pornographique? Pédopornographique, pardon. Non, ils ont pas mis. Pourtant, ben voilà, c'est deux petits trucs de collection qu'on récupère quand on fait l'émission. Donc là, on va faire Empire Perverse. Je sais pas dit... Ah oui, attends, pardon, il faut que je regarde. Ah non, c'est bon, ils sont tous satisfaits encore. Allez, parfait. Ah ben lui, il a débloqué son trait. Donc là, on pourra les faire obtempérer plus vite. Pour la prochaine mission, on va s'équiper de silencieux, mais on va changer d'arme par contre. On va changer d'arme. On va prendre celle-là. Alors moi j'adore cette optique, hein. Je trouve que c'est le mieux. Sous le canon, qu'est-ce qui serait le mieux? Bah ça. Et la lampe. Voilà. On va personnaliser les gants. Ouais, on peut mettre ça. Ou cela. Oh, on va garder les gants d'assaut, hein. Je trouve que c'est le mieux. J'ai dit celui-là. Je comprends pas pourquoi à chaque fois. Ah, il y a des petits bugs par moment. Rien de bien méchant, hein, soit dit en passant. Hein. Alors, Alpha. Bravo. Non, bravo. On va plutôt équiper, là, cette fois-ci, de pistolet mitrailleur. Charlie, on va lui mettre. Hop. Et Delta, le pistolet mitrailleur. Ah, parfait. On a toujours le bélier, machin. Par contre, on va leur mettre... c'est pas des lunettes anti-flash qu'on va mettre, là cette fois-ci c'est du gaz. Et on va leur mettre... ouais, 3 grenades fulgurantes pour toi. Toi, que des grenades lacrymo. Bravo, pareil. Bravo, grenade fulgurante. Et Alpha. Gaz lacrymogène. Pour moi. Bien évidemment. Vous allez voir, hein, on a une vision réduite avec le masque à oxygène, hein, par contre. Le masque à gaz. Ouais, on peut mettre juste une, hein, ce serait bien. Le pistolet, on pourrait le changer, par contre. Le 5.7, il est bien. Eh ben on est parti. On va lire l'objectif. En prise perverse. Allez, c'est parti. Les inspecteurs ont suivi une nouvelle piste afin de localiser un important site de stockage de drogue à Los Sueños, ce qui les a conduits jusqu'à un HLM à 213 Park. Ah oui, oui, d'accord, ok. C'est pas la mission... Oui, ok. C'est un truc de méthamphétamine. Non, non, non.
Gear up, boys. Our detectives just hit the jackpot following a new lead for methamphetamine production in 213 Park and need some door kickers for the job. They booked this tweaking gangbanger for shooting up a 4U station the other day. The fool had a note in his pocket all about this meth lab in 213 Park. He was planning on spending his earnings from the robbery up there.
How do we know it's legit?
Good question. Well, as our luck would have it, a uniformed patrol just happened to drive near the house a few days ago and picked up what they presumed was a hit-and-run victim by the side of the road. It turned out he was a runner for the guys that run the neighborhood. He admitted everything while in the back of the ambulance. He was in a bad way and wanted to clear his conscience. He'd pocketed the cash from this big deal he'd overseen. He was planning on skipping town with this hooker or something like that. They tortured him in the attic of this house and left him for dead. Once the hospital got him stabilized, he sang like a bird. He told us everything he could about this place in exchange for immunity.
What sort of premises are we dealing with?
We're dealing with multiple. There are 2 properties, both empty. One went into foreclosure and somehow got lost in the bank's systems. Nobody's touched it since. The second is a house just to the north. The family was killed during a robbery on their way to the airport. The house was being fumigated, and it sat that way empty ever since. Nobody seems to want the thing, but they're just the top layer. Our boy Reese managed to explain that there's a secret garage built under the property. That's where the heaviest footfall is happening. That's where we need to be. We've got the house under surveillance, but Reese gave us the core opening hours. That's when we move. The orders are to arrest at least 2 suspects at the property for detectives to pursue this investigation. We nail them and get this lab shut down, and it's a big check in the win column. We won't be welcome in this part of town. I'm sure most of you here know how its residents feel about police presence, so this will be a big crackdown. Be advised that we have no information on suspects or civilians other than the possibility many will be under the influence of methamphetamine and be highly erratic and potentially violent on contact. Not to mention gang activity, meaning the presence of firearms on persons within the meth house, so I would advise you proceed with extreme caution. We don't want to cause a riot, and lethal force is only permissible as a defensive measure. Am I clear on that?
Yes, sir.
I want us to split into 3 teams. First team, I want you to take the first property. Sweep it. Arrest anybody that gets in your way. I want that house cleared and the garage held. Nobody gets in and nobody gets out until we've processed them. This mission is just as much about making a statement to the 213 district as it is about anything else.
Ok. On n'a qu'un suspect, John Doe. John Doe est le seul alias connu de l'homme vers qui Julio se tourne lorsqu'il a besoin d'interroger ou de se débarrasser de quelqu'un. On sait peu de choses sur lui. C'est un membre des Rebuts Réfractaires, une organisation de motards bien connue dans la ville. Si l'inconnu se trouve ici, il pourrait fournir de précieuses informations au LSPD. Civil, personne. Hein. Et les médias. Photo d'un agent infiltré de la police des mœurs montrant la cachette de la maison contenant une quantité extraordinaire importante de crack prête à être vendue. Image de caméra corporelle, capture d'écran de la caméra corporelle d'un agent depuis le haut de la résidence montrant partiellement l'arrière-cour. Ok. Photo de Reese Haynes. Dans un lit d'hôpital en train de discuter avec un agent. Photo prise par un sergent présent sur les lieux. On a le témoignage.
I was asked to do a drop at this house down in 213. I don't remember the address. I dropped off the product and took the cash. I was supposed to bring it back to the main house. That's where they run the logistics side of things. But I needed the cash. I pocketed it and stashed it in this place I found. I was planning on taking Reba and Archie and getting out of town. The fresh start. Get away from the locos and the Johns knocking on her door all day and night. She could be a mama and I don't know. They came looking for me quicker than I thought. When the money didn't come in, Julio sent them to find me. I hid in this apartment. Everyone knows about it. All the users hide up there when they need a place to crash. It was empty. I guess they maybe cleared it out before I arrived. They came in and grabbed me. I didn't see who, but I can take a good guess. Julio uses the same few guys to do his heavy hitting. When I woke up, I was there. In the attic. That's where they do their work. I was tied to a table. Julio was there, but so was this other guy, Frank. That's all he goes by. Nobody ever sees him, but we all know what he does. He's a surgeon and a butcher in one. They wanted to know where the money was, but I couldn't tell them. I needed it. I had to get out of this city. It eats you alive. And now, with Archie, he deserves better than a junkie and a whore for parents. I've been there. I don't want that for him.
I understand, Mr. Haynes, but can you try to stay focused? This house, where was it?
Right. Sorry. The house. This is a different one. It's the lab. Well, the lab is underground in his hidden garage. They're cooking all the time down there. Then they open for business at night. Direct visits come late at night. You know, the bigger clients. You know what I'm saying? I was in the attic. It's where she used to live. Now it's where they take the people they need information from. I don't know what happened or why they left. Maybe I was dead. Maybe I was resurrected for a second chance. Fuck if I know. But I was alive and alone. The rest is a blur. I can't remember anything after I fell through the attic. I remember seeing her up there. But it couldn't have been. She's been quiet for too long. Maybe I was seeing things. But the next thing I knew, I was in the hospital. Ain't never been happier to see the cops in all my life.
You're doing great, Reese. These houses, where are they? Are they connected?
I can't remember the address. But I could show you. Never been good with names. They're connected to the business. One is the lab and storefront. and the other is where Julio and his boys operate things. The lab is at the back. It's all done up, ready to be fumigated. You can't miss it. Hiding in plain sight, you know?
That's great. This is helpful, Reese. Can you think of anything else?
No, it hurts. I'm tired. Can I go to sleep now?
Gear up, boys. Our detectives just hit the jackpot following a new lead for methamphetamine production in 213 Park.
Allez, on est parti. Vous avez vu l'effet du masque à oxygène? À gaz, pardon. Bon. La difficulté de cette mission, c'est qu'il faut que j'arrête obligatoirement 2 suspects. Et vous allez voir que c'est pas évident parce que ils sont sous l'emprise de drogue et ils vont tout faire pour défendre leur bien en fait. Donc voilà. Je sais pas du tout comment procéder. Je vais voir sur place quand on arrive. Parce que les plans de la maison aussi, c'est un calvaire. Je vais vous les montrer quand le temps de chargement est fini. Les plans, c'est pas fou, hein. J'espère que la vidéo, par contre, va pas être trop longue. Et si elle est trop longue, ben, on fera qu'une mission par vidéo. Hein, parce que le briefing, là, il était particulièrement long. Mais bon, c'est important à l'histoire. Vous avez vu, chaque mission a un lien. Elles ont toutes un lien entre elles. Donc, c'est super important. Ah, c'est pas possible. Il y en a un autre qui a gardé son gilet tactique noir. Bon, bah, garde-le. Je le vois au truc bleu.
Talk to entry team. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate.
Voilà.
Entry team, you are cleared to proceed with the mission.
C'est les deux lots.
Right with you.
On va passer par là. C'est une mission nocturne. J'aurais peut-être dû prendre les lunettes à vision nocturne. Ah bah voilà, il est là le labo. La fameuse maison qu'ils nous ont dit. Allez, on y va. Et on se concentre. On va investir la première pour aller dans la seconde.
Gold team.
Get down now!
Open and gas it. I'm on it.
Hands on your head, do it now! LSPD, go! Police, get your hands up! Down on your goddamn... Let me see those hands! Hands on your head, now! Hands on your head, move! Fuck it, kill him!
Kick it down, gas the room and clear it.
Knocking it down. Moving in.
Open on the right. Got an opening here. Looks clear over here, boss.
Hide everything, they're here! Move, move, move!
Nothing. Dim light.
your fucking hands! Put your hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Turn around slowly. I have to cuff you for our safety.
This is kind of pointless, but okay.
Element to talk. Civilian is standing by for trailers.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Ça fait peur, hein, ce jeu.
Get down and keep your hands up. Come out with your hands up. Police, get out of there.
Il était planqué sous le lit.
This is procedure. Talk. Suspect is secured.
Talk to element. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
On me. Choose our point. Open it. Toss a flashbang. Acknowledged. Locked. How do you want to do it? C2, bang and clear. Good to go. Cover your ears, boys. Setting it now. Open on the left. Hands up! Do it now! Put your hands where I can see them! Suspect down!
You're dead now, motherfuckers!
On me.
Who snitched?
Arrest him. I got cuffs. Put your hands where I can see them!
Not illegal.
Suspect good to go. Entry team to top.
Talk reporting.
Suspect secure. Ready for
Roger.
pickup.
Trailers inbound.
Police, down
deals
the
off.
ground.
Take
Hands
it easy,
up,
boss.
now.
I'm anemic. Police, deals off.
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Hands up. Above your head. Hands up.
You can't arrest me. It's medicinal.
Element to talk. Civvy is ready. Civilian is good to go.
Talk to entry
Compliant.
team. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
Ok, y'a rien.
Fall in behind me. I got you. Zipped up.
On récupérera les choses après. Hein.
Looks like Reed was right about the locals making large moves. Open. Deploy CS and clearance. Deploying gas. Moving in! Got lots of players to hide. Looking under the bed. Nothing here, sir.
Empty over here. No contacts.
Entry team to talk. We have a civilian down, responsive.
This is talk. Copy. Clean house, and we'll take them out.
Droguer la gamine, la pauvre.
Lead the talk. Collecting evidence. Element to talk. Evidence bagged. Provide support.
Behind you.
On my 6.
On your 6.
Come out now! Come out slowly! Get out of there now! Police, come out! Come out and get down! LSPD! Police, get out of there! Get out of there now! Got a suspect down here. Police, come out!
This is talk.
Come out
Affirmative
slowly!
entry team.
Now! Police, come out and get down! LSPD, come out! Get out of there now! LSPD, come out with your hands up! Police, come out! LSPD, come out! Get out of there now! Get out of there! Get out of there now! Police, come out! Come out with your hands up! Come out now! LSPD, come out! Get out of there now! Restraint, go. Zipped up and good to go. Stop. Suspect good to go.
Talk reporting. Roger. Trailers inbound.
Oh. Ah ben, voilà. Ce qui devait arriver arriva.
Report to talk for debrief.
Ah, je vous l'avais dit, hein, c'est très punitif. Hein. Elle est hyper dure cette mission. On va la retenter. Voilà, ils sont tous anxieux. On va la retenter. C'est pas grave. Alors, quand ils sont anxieux, il n'y a qu'un seul moyen. Soit il y a plusieurs paliers: anxieux, stressé, je me rappelle plus, au bord du burn-out, je crois. Il faut les emmener voir le psy. Et en fonction du degré, pendant 2-3 missions, vous ne pourrez plus les utiliser. Là, anxieux, ça va encore. Mais il est possible qu'il soit très stressé à la fin. Donc ce qu'on va faire, on va faire déjà les équipes. Donc... ah oui, pour faire les équipes, par contre, il faut qu'on sélectionne la mission. On va le faire de suite. Donc, Empire Perverse. Équipe. Lui, il est anxieux, donc on va le mettre là. Lui, c'est un vétéran, on va le remplacer par lui. Voilà. Bon, il n'y en aura qu'un qui sera anxieux, mais c'est pas bien grave. Voilà, c'est lui, à chaque fois, tu mets celui-là. C'est pas compliqué. Ah, il veut pas, hein. Ah, j'espère que ça a marché. Je déteste ce genre de bug. Allez, c'est parti, on y retourne. On va la prendre d'une autre manière, la mission. Hein. Ah bah voilà, tout le monde a le... Voilà, parfait.
Got your back.
On va passer par là.
Talk to entry team. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
On va commencer par le garage. Parce que dans le garage, des fois il y a une possibilité qu'il y ait un suspect. Mais on va pas attaquer cette maison d'abord. Ok, il n'y a personne. On va attaquer celle-là d'abord.
Post up and provide cover.
Moving up. In the way, Chief.
Ah, pardon.
Entry denied.
All teams. Mirror it.
Got it. Got the one. Opening on the right. Looking good, sir. Suspect. Weapon in hand.
Ran the door, clear with flash.
Bridging. Got an opening. Empty over here.
LSPD, don't move. Ground now.
Notifying morgue.
Put your hands where I can see them.
Handcuff. Element to talk. Down.
Talk to element. Talk copies all. Proceed with your mission.
Got evidence.
Talk reporting.
Good to go.
Roger. Trailers inbound.
Oh, fuck.
I got it. Legal's ready. Talk.
This is talk. Copy. Move on.
Fall in.
Got your back.
Get out of there now.
I'm not doing a fucking thing.
Now with your hands up. Police, hands on your head. Get down. I want to see hands up. Screw you. Weapon now. Police, police, don't fucking move. Police, hands up. Police, get down.
You like that, motherfucker?
Police, down on the ground. Stay down.
I'll get him ready.
It's all legal.
You're safe now. Suspect in custody.
Ouais,
Ready for
bizarre.
transport.
Talk to
Civilian
entry
ready to
team.
go. Civilian
Copy,
is
entry
secure.
team. Notifying trailers.
Entry team to talk. We got a suspect here in need of medical attention.
This is talk. Copy. Clean house, and we'll take them out.
Ah bah j'ai arrêté 2 suspects, nickel.
Entry team to talk. Suspect is deceased. Requesting trailers.
Talk reporting. Copy that, entry team. Notifying morgue.
Talk. Bagging it up. Element to talk. Evidence bagged.
You're in my way, sir.
Ok, RAS. On va s'attaquer à l'étage.
Drop the weapon and put it down and keep your hands up.
Securing.
Someone call the Talk to entry team. Objectives failed.
Bon, bon, on va s'arrêter pour cet épisode, sinon ça va être beaucoup trop long. On va retourner au commissariat. Hein. Là, je n'y arrive plus. Ah bah oui. Bref, comme vous voyez, c'est pas évident. Enfin. J'espère en tout cas que la vidéo vous aura plu. On va faire quand même un petit check des équipes, voir si les autres se sont remis sur pied.
Officer Foster, please report to staff training.
Ouais. Yes, ça va. Donc, merci à tous d'avoir regardé la vidéo. Si elle vous a plu, n'hésitez pas à commenter, à liker et à partager. Et je vous donne rendez-vous pour une prochaine vidéo. Allez, salut!